Hey, today I'm going to give you some valuable tips on how to avoid violation in partner monetization policies on Facebook. As a content creator, it is crucial to understand and comply with these policies to maintain a healthy and sustainable monetization strategy. First and foremost, always review and follow Facebook partner monetization policies. So these policies are designed to protect the integrity of the platform and ensure a safe and engaging experience for users. Familiarize yourself with the specific guidelines that apply to your content niche, such as music, gaming, or news. Secondly, avoid using any copyrighted materials without proper permission or licenses. This includes music, images, and videos. Instead, focus on creating original content or seek royalty free alternatives. It's also essential to properly attribute any third party content you use. Give credit to the respective creators. Lastly, prioritize transparency and authenticity in your content. Stay away from deceptive practices such as clickbait or misleading information. Build trust with your audience by providing accurate and valuable content. By following these tips, you can ensure that your content stays compliant with Facebook monetization policies and create a sustainable revenue stream for yourself as a content creator. And remember, when it comes to monetization, transparency and compliance are key. Thank you.